What's up, buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazingly golden day with cherries on top. My name is Elvis and welcome to the Golden Drive. So in this video we are going to be working on my 1972 Jaguar XJ6. We're heading to my friend's house where it's currently at now, and we're going to start tearing into the LS engine because we're LS swapping it. So we're going to be tearing into the LS engine and removing a bunch of stuff, wiring harness, air conditioning, the transmission, just a few things, just to make it look a little bit better and to also get it on the engine stand. So I'm excited. Oh, hello. Great, how are you?
Back in town?
Oh yeah, I'm back. Temporarily. Yeah, I'm just filming a video now, but yeah.
Oh, let's do it.
No, you're good. It was great to see you. Okay, that was random. Well, yeah, we're just gonna be diving into the car. I'm so excited. Let's get started and let's get over to my friend's house. So let's do this. I actually did a thing, and it's a little bit tilted, but please don't fall. I'm begging you, do not fall. Oh gosh, it's freaking heavy. Whew, on the stand, so excited. Terrible. This sucks. I'm literally covered in rust. I'm just going to show you guys the amount of rust that I've removed. There's some in my mouth. Look at that. That's the amount of rust that came out from this engine. Yeah, so what have we done today? We have removed the transmission of the car. We've removed the wiring harness. What else have we done? We have put this thing on an engine stand, albeit I didn't find grade 8 bolts for the mount, but hopefully it works and it doesn't fall at night. But just in case it wants to fall, I've attached a hook up there so it can hold it. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm excited to continue this. This place is a disaster. I've also removed the old engine mounts because I'm going to be putting new ones on them as well. And yeah, we're just going to continue chugging along. I just tried and it didn't fit the exhaust. I should have removed the exhaust manifold, but yeah, one of the bolts broke inside, so I'm kind of like stuck. I don't know what to do, but I'll figure it out. It'll be fine. Oh, you stupid. that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this golden video. We got a lot done. And I'm so excited. Even though we got the engine test fitted in this video, it didn't fit because of, again, the catalytic converters and the exhaust and all of that. I thought it was all gonna fit at once, but no, there's not that much room. So we're probably going to get new headers for the Jag. And in the next video, we're actually gonna be dropping it in permanently into the car. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, have an amazingly golden day. If you're excited about this build, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, The Golden Drive. Follow me on Instagram to see more updates on the Jag at The Golden Drive. And yeah, bye.